Network diagram, critical path and project duration. Frequently asked questions in the examination. Here I take out one of the same topic from a question paper and is simply explained with the help of a video. Construct the network for the project whose activities are given below. Activity duration. Activity 0 to 1 is equal to 3 weeks, 1 to 2 is equal to 8 weeks, 1 to 3 is equal to 12 weeks, 2 to 4 is equal to 6 weeks, 2 to 5 is equal to 3 weeks, 3 to 4 is equal to 3 weeks, 3 to 6 is equal to 8 weeks, 4 to 7 is equal to 5, 5 to 7 is equal to 3. Determine the critical path and the project duration. Now we can find the solution for construct the network diagram. To construct the network diagram, we can start from 0. 0 to 1 is equal to 3 weeks. 0 to 1 is equal to 3 weeks. 1 to 2 is equal to 8 weeks and 1 to 3 is equal to 12 weeks. 1 to 2 is equal to 8 weeks and 1 to 3 is equal to 12 weeks. 2 to 4 is equal to 6 weeks and 2 to 5 is equal to 3 weeks. 2 to 4 is equal to 6 weeks and 2 to 5 is equal to 3 weeks. 3 to 4 is equal to 3 weeks and 3 to 6 is equal to 8 weeks. 3 to 4 is equal to 3 weeks and 3 to 6 is equal to 8 weeks. 4 to 7 is equal to 5 weeks. 4 to 7 is equal to 5 weeks and 5 to 7 is equal to 3 weeks. 5 to 7 is equal to 3 weeks. 6 to 7 don't have an activity, so we have to call it as a dummy activity having 0 duration. Determine the critical path and the project duration. So we have to copy the same diagram from the top to the bottom again to find out the critical path and the project duration. We have to find the earliest start time and the latest completion time for each and every node. The earliest start time for the starting node will be 0 is equal to TE is equal to 0. So earliest start time is equal to 0 for the starting node. Earliest start time is equal to earliest start time for the starting node plus duration or maximum value. T1 is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So node 1 is equal to 3. Node 2 is equal to 11. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Node 3 is equal to 15. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. TE4, here 4 is equal to 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. Or 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. So we have to take the maximum value, 18. Node 5 is equal to 14. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. Node 6 is equal to 23. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. Node 7 is equal to 23. Here 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. 23 plus 0 is equal to 23. So we have to take the 23 as the maximum value. Latest completion time for last node is equal to latest starting time of the last node is equal to TL7 is equal to 23. So here node 7, the latest completion time is equal to 23. latest completion time is equal to latest completion time for the last node minus duration or minimum value. So TL5 is equal to 23 minus 3 is equal to 20. Node 5 is equal to 20. Node 6 is equal to 23 minus 0 is equal to 23. Node 4 is equal to 23 minus 5 is equal to 18. Node 3 is equal to 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. Node 2 is equal to 20 minus 3 is equal to 17, or 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. So we have to take the minimum value. Node 1 is equal to 12 minus 8 is equal to 4, or 15 minus 2, 12 is equal to 3. So we have to take the minimum value 3. Here node 0, the latest completion time is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. For the critical path, early start time is equal to latest completion time for each and every node. So here we have to take 0, 1, 3, 4, 7. This is the critical path. So critical path is equal to 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 7. The critical activities are 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 7. The critical path is equal to 0, 1, 3, 4 and 7. Project duration is equal to 3 plus 12 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 23 weeks. Let us repeat one more example to repeat and understand the problem once again. So the project schedule, activity duration are listed as it is, and we have to find out the PERT network, critical path and project duration. So we can start the project network from 1 to 2 and 1 to 3, 4 and 1. 1 to 2 is equal to 4 and 1 to 3 is equal to 1. Here 2 to 4 is equal to 1. 3 to 4 is equal to 1. 3 to 5 is equal to 6. 3 to 4 is equal to 1. 3 to 5 is equal to 6. 4 to 9 is equal to 5. 4 to 9 is equal to 5. 5 to 6 is equal to 4. 5 to 7 is equal to 8. 5 to 6 is equal to 4, and 5 to 7 is equal to 8. 6 to 8 is equal to 1. 7 to 8 is equal to 2. 6 to 8 is equal to 1. 7 to 8 is equal to 2. 9 to 10 is equal to 7. And 8 to 10 is equal to 5. Now we have to find out the early start time for each and every node. Early start time for the starting node will be 0. For the second node 2 is equal to 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Node 3 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Node 4 is equal to 1 plus 1. or 4 plus 1, whichever is bigger. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now 5 is equal to 7, 6 plus 1. Now 6 is equal to 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Now 7 is equal to 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Now 8 is equal to 11 plus 1 or 15 plus 2, whichever is bigger. So 17 is bigger, 15 plus 2. Now 9 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now 10 is equal to 22. 17 plus 5 is equal to 22. This is the bigger one. Now we have to find out the earliest completion time, the latest completion time for each and every node. Latest completion time for the node 10 is equal to 22. 8 is equal, node 8 is equal to 17. 22 minus 5. Node 7 is equal to 15. 17 minus 2. Node 6 is equal to 16. 17 minus 1. Node 9 is equal to 15. 22 minus 7. Node 5 is equal to 7. 16 minus 16 minus 4 or 15 minus 8, whichever is less. Node 4 is equal to 10. 15 minus 5. Node 3 is equal to 1. 10 minus 1 or 7 minus 6, whichever is less. 7 minus 6 is the lesser value. Node 2 is equal to 9. 10 plus 1. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Node 1 is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, or 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 0 is the smallest one. Now we have to find out the critical path. Critical path is where the earliest start time and the latest completion time will be the same for each and every node. So 1 is to 1 to 3 and 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 8 and 8 to 10 is the critical path. Critical path is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 10. Project duration is equal to 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 22 weeks. Hope you understand the problem. If you find this video useful, like, share and subscribe. That will inspire me to upload new videos. Thank you.